Is it on?
Okay, now it's on.
Blow
Ready? Blow out your candle.
Blow out your candle. Patty, can you blow? Go.
Blow.
Go. Blow in her face.
There you go.
All right, I'm going to take these things off
Yay.
because I don't...
Oh, she's trying to get to the... Because she won't
You
let me
better
go.
They were so cute, though. No, we're not going to let you... Yeah, anybody.
Come on with Lon. Come on with Lon the Wonder Dog. Come on.
Okay, go for it.
There you go. It's all you. That's sticky.
Oh, go for those big things.
Go for it. Yeah, do whatever you want to.
Maybe
You get it.
Ooh, yeah.
Don't you know it tastes good? Here, put it in your mouth.
You eat that. You eat that. Yum.
Yep, Dan.
Usher, yeah.
She likes to explore. I know, it's like this is so cool. I get to, everybody's allowing me to make this mess.
You gotta taste it.
We'll put that
It
on
tastes
later.
good.
Yeah, well,
She's like,
more into the tactile.
I've never tasted anything like this.
finger painting or
Yeah, eat it. Come on.
You eat some.
clay.
Yum.
Here, look at
Good
Mommy.
mommy.
Look at that.
Yum.
You want to try it?
You eat that.
No? She's never had, I don't think.
She's never had anything like
Come
cake.
on, that child.
I know.
She's been deprived.
Yeah. Here.
What a face. She liking it?
I don't know.
She's not too. Well, there we go.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll do it.
Here,
Oh,
let Mommy
I'll
eat
eat
it. Look, Mommy.
Free cake's a little challenging.
Go for it. Come on.
Your birthday, baby girl. You do whatever you want. If you want to play with
You
it,
wanna blow
maybe
it?
later.
Yeah, she
Got
can
that
play.
one. Maybe you can
Exactly.
blow that one out.
Let me start cutting the other one.
Dan's gonna light the candle for
There
you.
you go, blow that one out. Oh,